Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Craft of Giving, and in today's video I want to share something pretty special. So my beautiful golden retriever Arlo has just turned 2 and naturally I wanted to throw a party. So come along and help me prepare for his party. So we go to our local dog park most days and we made a lot of friends over the last 2 years and I thought, why not have a little doggy birthday? To thank all our friends for coming to play with us, I decided to make little doggy treat bags for each dog owner to take home for their pet to enjoy later. So I started with these schmacko little rolls and divided it up into tiny little treat bags to divide between the various gift bags. Now you can totally make your own little doggy treats like homemade ones, however I was a little bit time poor in preparation for this party and decided to use my dog's favorite little extra special treat of Smackos, not sponsored, and then also wanted to include a little toy for my fur friends to enjoy. So to put my little bags together, I just grabbed a few of these little gift bags, and of course my beautiful boy Arlo was sitting right by my side, very intrigued by the delicious smells of the Schmackos and also quite keen for a tennis ball to chomp on. So divided that in between the bags, and then to top off our treat bags I wanted to make little pup cakes because it is a party. So I'll have the full recipe typed down below for pup cakes, but I made it in my Thermomix by just adding all the ingredients and then blending that up, scooping it into my beautiful cute little cupcake liners, and then bake that according to the recipe's instructions. Now these pup cakes are completely safe for your puppy as long as you use the 100% natural peanut butter with no added sugars, salts or oils. And then the fun part, the frosting. The frosting is super simple to make. It's not a sweet one. It is purely mashed potatoes with a little bit of natural lactose-free yogurt that you whip up until nice and smooth and creamy. Add it to a piping bag and pipe onto your pup cake once it's cooled down. Top it with a little doggy treat, and I have these cute little dome covers to cover my pup cake so that the owners can take it home if they don't want to give it straight away at the party. And like any good mother, we have to test them before they go out to our special guests, and I can confirm that the puppies loved it. Now technically humans can eat these, don't recommend. They're not sweet or intended for humans, but totally safe for humans to consume without the little doggy treat. I had every intention to get some footage of the actual party, but totally had way too much fun and completely forgot, so enjoy the happy snaps of all our friends. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, have you thrown a birthday party for your pet? Please subscribe for more. I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. Remember to be crafty with the giving, and I'll see you next time. Bye!